Hey there, my name is Kursh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use custom modes on Voicy. Custom modes are super powerful and they're probably my favorite feature that I've ever built. So I'm sure you've done this before. You've spoken into Voicy, and then before sending your text wherever you want to send it, you take the text, you put it into ChatGPT, you ask the AI to update the text with some instruction, and once you have your final text, you then finally send it on. With custom modes, you don't have to do that anymore. Now let me show you an example from my real life. I get a lot of German emails from German Voicy users, and I like to respond to them in German. Usually I would have to speak out the email, get it translated in ChatGPT, and then finally send it on. With custom modes, I don't have to do that anymore. So I went onto the custom modes page, I clicked on the create mode button, and now I want to insert my custom mode instructions. So these instructions will edit my transcript after the recording, and what I want to happen with my transcript is for it to translate my text into German. Now I save this custom mode, and then it's saved now, I have it in here, and then see what happens when I start recording. Now that I have this recording window, I have this new element, which is this German translator with a number 1 next to it. This is my custom mode. I can either click on it, or I simply click on the number 1 on my keyboard and it selects it. Whenever I'm done speaking, I then click on my shortcut again to stop the recording, and I'll see what happens. Voicy is processing my text, and here is my text, but it's not in English anymore. It was translated to German. So before you get your text, we run the instructions that you left in your custom mode, we update your text, and then we give it to you. So let's use another example. I have some example prompts in here. Let's use a notes one, which basically just takes your message and formats it as a structured note. So let's save it and see what happens. Now, when you start a recording with Voicy and you have 2 custom modes, you get 2 elements up here. You have your message organizer and your German translator. If I click on 2, I get my German translator, and if I click on 1, I select my message organizer. So now let's end the recording again. There we go. So Voicy has taken my long recording and it removed all filler words, it simplified it, and now it's an easier note for me. Done. You can do this with absolutely everything. The opportunities are truly endless, and I'd love to know how you are going to use custom modes. But one final summary: you speak into Voicy, Voicy creates the text. Before giving you the text is updated with your custom command in your custom mode, and finally you get the final version of the text as you have seen me get it. And that's it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. You can reach out to me whenever you want. And if you have any feedback, I'd love to hear it. Thank you so much.